This video will describe how to create smart templates for Project Assistant. To create a template from a project, go to the dashboard, click the selected project bar once. Select the 3 vertical dots on the right of the project bar. Click Save as Private Template. Your Smart Template page will open, containing your new template. To create a template from an existing template, select the avatar at the top right, and click Templates. Click the plus button to the right of your Smart Templates. Select a base template. Enter the name for your new template and click Done. To develop the workflow, double-click the template bar to open. Enter and/or modify deliverables, work packages, and tasks. Enter descriptions for each component as required. To build the component library, open the template, and select the second icon from the top in the left navigation bar. Enter and/or modify individual deliverables, work packages, and tasks into the library framework. The library components will be displayed in a drop-down for end users to add to their project. The A button on the components is for sharing advice. Advice is entered and edited in the template, and viewed in the projects. Advice for a particular component in the template is live linked to its corresponding component in all projects. Updating advice in the template will immediately be available in all projects that have that component. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos.